morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Michael Canuel. I'm the CEO of Learn, and this is the CEO video to go with our June newsletter. Well, as you can see, it's a June morning. It's rainy outside, and in keeping with the theme of this year, I've tried to keep as many of my videos outdoors to give you a feel of what's going on and to offset a little bit of the confinement that we've had to live through. And there's no question that it's been very, very challenging year. And I just wanted maybe to take a second and tell you two little stories to give some context to the tough times that we've had and compare it to what some other students and children are living through around the world. Many of you know I've been involved and I designed and was really at the start of a program that's now working in Southeast Asia and in Thailand in particular. And there are a couple of schools there that really give an idea of how much students want to learn and how much they want to be in school and really be a part of a community. One of them is that we had students who come to a school and they live actually on an island off the mainland, and they row in every day onto the beaches, and then from there go to their schools. Well, on days where it's too wavy and dangerous, the kids have to stay home because it's just not safe. But they really were complaining about it, and they wanted to go to school. They desperately wanted to go to school. So the community actually did a little fundraiser, and they raised enough money to buy life jackets for them so that they could still go into school on a daily basis and not miss schools, of course, within reason. If it's crazy, they're not going to go in. But this is an example of how, when given the opportunity in an engaging environment, kids just love to be there with their colleagues, with their friends, and to learn. The other situation, again, takes place in southern Thailand, and we had one of our schools was burnt down because there was a little bit of a rebellion. It can never be a little bit of a rebellion, but a rebellion going on down there. And the rebels didn't want to see the school offering education to the young girls. So they burnt the school down. Well, the community was outraged by this, and they decided that between Friday evening and Monday morning, they would restore the school sufficiently that the kids wouldn't have to miss any school. The whole community got together, including the kids, and they rebuilt that school sufficiently so that they were able to continue their studies. I mention all this because there's no question that given the opportunity, students want to be there. They want to learn. They want to be a part of a community. And I think that's a fantastic thing. This year, our students had, in some cases, to work from home, to be restrained by not going and spending time with their friends. And that was certainly a challenge for them. But we have to give some context to it all as well. We're lucky. We're blessed here. We have certainly challenges, and it hasn't been pleasant. But we're lucky to be in a society and in a country where we can afford to teach them remotely, where we can be online, where we can offer all kinds of different things to offset some of these difficulties. Plus, we're blessed because we're surrounded by so many dedicated educators, people who really want to make a difference for students. So, once again, it's easy to complain, it's easy to find fault, it's easy to go down that rabbit hole. But I'd urge you to really think about the blessings that we have. And as we look forward, keep in mind that we're living in a great place and that we have so much to be thankful for. On that note, I want to thank our entire team, the Learn team that's done outstanding work, the Provincial Resource Team headed up by Debbie Horrocks, the I Belong Project, the Good Night Bag, the Arts Inspire program with Elan. Just amazing work going on there. Our virtual campus team, the online classes continue to be very successful. Over 26,000 tutorial sessions given this year. These are numbers that are incredible. And then, of course, our pedagogical services team giving workshops that were constantly filled within hours of opening up for registration. Clearly, we're meeting a need and answering it in a way that satisfies our community. So thanks to our team, thanks to all of the hard work and dedication that they put into it. I hope that they take the summer to regenerate, rejuvenate, and come back to us ready to meet new and different challenges in the school year 21-22. Bless you all. Have a great summer, and see you soon.